Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining today's SWAYAM Plus expert session on digital marketing essentials held in collaboration with NIIT Foundation. Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce SWAYAM Plus. It is an initiative by the Ministry of Education and IIT Madras offering over 450 online courses across 15 key sectors including engineering, emerging technologies, BFSI and many more. These courses are developed in collaboration with 70 plus industry leaders and experts and are designed to help learners stay aligned with emerging trends and build job ready skills. If you haven't yet explored Swayam Plus, we encourage you to visit the platform and make the most of the diverse learning opportunities it offers. As part of the initiative, we are hosting a series of masterclasses and expert sessions where learners can hear directly from industry experts on current trends, innovations, and practical insights. These sessions are an important step in the journey from academia to industry. We would also like to inform you that today's session is being live telecast on YouTube and the replay will be available for future viewing. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce today's speaker. Today's speaker is Mr. Chandri Prasad Maharana, a seasoned learning and development professional with over 22 years of experience in IT software training and corporate skill development. Currently, he is serving as a master trainer at NIIT Foundation, where he has delivered workshops on digital marketing across NGOs pan India and conducted advanced Excel training for top corporates like Nalco, Vodafone, and Doordarshan. His expertise spans dynamic dashboards, data analytics using Excel and Power BI, as well as software technologies such as Java, Python, and databases like SQL Server and MongoDB. This session is delivered by Mr. Chandri Prasad Maharana. I would like to now hand it over to Sir for the session. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for this introduction and very warm good evening to all of you. I hope I am audible. And to begin with session, as all of you know, today's session is on digital marketing essentials with cyber safety. So we are going to talk about digital marketing basic concept and cyber awareness. So it will be like it will be a bundle of things like we are going to learn what are the aspects of digital marketing and how we can safeguard all those data while working with the digital marketing. So let's start with the session. I invite all of you in opening circle as the participants are online. So to begin with, let's talk about digital marketing. I think all of you are aware about it. Heard the name called digital marketing, but before that, whenever digital marketing topic comes up in your mind, let's talk about what is the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So in traditional marketing, what happens? Suppose you take a product, you want to sell it, but before selling, that needs to be promoted. It means that needs promotional activity. The product need to be have some promotional activity. So in traditional marketing, what happens? We use some offline methods. So offline methods are like publishing in TV, okay, print media, newspaper insertions. So these are all traditional marketing. Door-to-door activity. Now, suppose, say, for example, suppose I have a factory. Sorry. Suppose I want to promote this jewelry product. You can take any product. So how are you going to market, promote? So you will choose this in national newspaper instructions, okay, to promote that jewelry brand, and you can use TV or you can use a newspaper or ad or door-to-door marketing also. But if digital marketing and traditional marketing is, you get less, even though you are physically outside from your home, so you will get less customers. Okay, so nowadays, as you know, 5.3 or more than 5.3 billion world are the online users. So you can reach many users or customers in online platform. So that's where everyone is moving from traditional marketing to digital marketing, just to grab those customers, potential customers, or the lead. So this is the main advantages, or you can say the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So, so here we are talking about only the digital marketing basic concepts. Now, who are going to learn this digital marketing? There are three types of learners. One is those who are going for a job in this field, digital marketing field. Second, those who are going to going for a business entrepreneur mindset, and they have a startup business, and they have manufactured a unique product, but they don't find potential customer or a lead, okay, so that they can approach to that customer. So for that, we need to promote first. So they can go for this digital marketing. Third is freelancer. So anyone can do a freelancer job. Okay.
Sorry for disturbing, sir. Your audio is not clear.
So sorry for that.
So your audio is still not clear. It's not fully audible, sir. And your voice is breaking also. And you kindly check in.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. Sorry for the disturbances. Let me share my screen. Okay. So we were discussing about traditional marketing and digital marketing. So I think all of you understood traditional marketing. We use certain offline methods, that is TV, print, and all these things. Newspaper insertions, door-to-door activities, and similarly in digital marketing, we can use other platforms like social media platform mainly, because we have to reach potential customer. So if you want to reach potential customer, then we have to use this digital marketing techniques. Okay, so So these are the difference between now suppose for example, I said if I have a product called jewelry, I want to promote it. So there can be different kind of learners. So one can be a job seeker, those who wants to do a job in a company, wants to promote their company's product. Second, second is a freelancer, those who wants to like take assignments on digital marketing. Okay. And third is the entrepreneur, those who wants to start a startup company and they have their own product. If they have their own product, they can start it. So these are the various type of learners, they can learn this digital marketing concepts. So in today's agenda, we have like the fundamental of digital marketing, why it matters today, and how to build and grow your personal and professional brand online. So here we are talking about the product, how we can promote it, and also personal branding. So then we are going to see how to develop a website. Then I'll just show you a practical demonstration on Facebook. Look how we can boost pages on Facebook, and SEO and email marketing basic concepts, and how we can track those like activities, whatever we have done for this product to be promoted. So it is done through analytics, tracking your own promotional activity. So these are my agendas. Let's start with the concept, very basic concept. As I have already told you, digital marketing is the practice of promoting product, services, or brands using digital channels like website. We can promote in social media, we can promote in emails, we can promote in search engines. Okay, so these are the various practices. So, so this is the basic definition. You can define this digital marketing in any ways. Like say, for example, in one line also to promote products or services online. This can be a definition. There's a various definition can be made uh, to explain this digital marketing concepts. So digital marketing not means like to sell the product. So basically it is used to promote first. So after promotion, when you promote that product, if it is if it is converted into a lead, then it will be called as a, like after that, it will be called as a sales part. So the fundamental of digital marketing, the first thing, if you want to promote your product, is first identify audience targeting, to whom you are targeting. So you have to first pick an object, or sorry, pick a product, the product that you are going to promote. So here it says reach the right people at the right time with the precision targeting and segmentation strategies. So for example, I said jewelry. Take for example of jewelry. I have my own factory manufacturing hub unit that manufactures jewelry, different kind of jewelry, designs of jewelry. But I need some promotion. I need to promote it. So I find it physical way, that is traditional way, like say shop to shop, okay, or through insertion, paper insertion. But I'm not finding out the target audience properly. So mainly I want to target like 15 to suppose 50 of age of women, girls. Okay, these are my target. So first set your target of that product that you're going to launch. So that's why it is saying before going to the digital marketing techniques, first identify your target audience about of that product. Next is content creation. So content creation means suppose you set your target. Now you have to set like within 15 to like 50 or 60 age, 50 age, what would be the content? Okay, what like necklace you want to promote it, or earring, whatever. So craft compiling messages that resonate with your audience and drive engagement across channels. So here you have to prepare the content and also publish it in the targeted social media platform. Now, suppose all girls and women are now uh, like like love to open Instagram. Okay, so visiting all the reels. So suppose I want to promote through that Instagram. So my target social media platform would be Instagram, because I found many girls are there, women are navigating those reels. So I want to place an ad in the Instagram. So that would be the second step. So once you set a target audience, then resonate with your audience. Okay, like what is the platform that you're going to use? Instagram or Facebook or YouTube? So I find it Instagram. So I just go to Instagram and Facebook both and place my ad because I have already created the designs. Third, measures results with the data driven insights to optimize campaign and maximize ROI. Because I have invested, because uh, I cannot take free post. So it needs some payment options. Okay. So payment option, you have to pay something. Okay. To have something like if you are going to place it in Instagram, then you have to pay it, because the all the posts are not free. So there are different type of post. One is organic, another is paid. So organic means those who are those who are posting in social media are free one, normal persons. Why? Because they are posting in the front page, in the profile page, and only their friends are going to see those posts, or friends of friends. But if I want to reach more customer, then you have to boost it. So to boost that post, you need to pay something to the like the owner of that website, either in Facebook or Instagram. So that's why whatever investment I have made as a ROI, return on investment, I should get. So how you are going to take receive the return? Through like through analyzing those campaign that I have made for the jewelry. Suppose I have made in Instagram, in YouTube, or in any other social media platforms. So I have invested it. So I have to check how many people are visiting my website. To suppose someone has shown an interest, I just click it. Okay, so if I click it, it is going to view my website. Okay, so in this way, we can perform, or we can check the performance, whether it is going down or going up. So these are the fundamental of digital marketing. So why it matters today, digital marketing? Because I have already told you 5.3 billion global internet users. That means 66% of the world's population is online. You will be astonished to see like 66% of world population is still online, and they are viewing various type of websites. So that's why my target would be through like promoting the my product through online. So this is why we are going to switch from traditional marketing to digital marketing. 63% are digital buyers. 63% of shopping journeys begins online. Nowadays, Amazon, Flipkart, these are the various platforms open where anyone can buy and even sell also. And 24 into 7 online. Suppose you check the website online at daytime, even if you can check in the same thing in the evening time or night. So that means anytime you will definitely you will get various customer, various types of customer 24 into 7. So that's why we move from traditional marketing to digital marketing. So this is the reason why we opt digital marketing. Now, not only product we can promote it, but you can promote yourself also. So this is the step where we can promote our own, what you can say, our own quality that we possess. So first, if you want to promote your brand, so first is define your identity. So what does it mean? Clarify your unique value propositions, voice, visual identity that sets you apart. So what quality differs from others? Set an agenda that suppose I am skilled enough in a particular technology, that is advanced Excel. So you will find in YouTube various what you can say various uh, like YouTubers are there who promotes their own skills. So in this way, you can promote your own skills through digital marketing. So first identify your strength, okay, where you can pitch in and you can directly go to the YouTube channels and other channels. So first you decide what is your strength, then select your channel where your target audience spend time. So second is first you identify your own strength. Then second is your channel where I want to promote, whether I want to promote in LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram or Facebook. Then share valuable content regularly. That doesn't mean ki you have like open a page in YouTube, add one video of yours, and you'll just wait how many likes and how many subscribes are there. So it is not in that way. First, once you create a page in YouTube, okay, you have like added 15 minutes of video, a knowledgeable video, and then keep sharing or keep like adding all related videos. So that's why it says share valuable content regularly that showcase your expertise, build trust with followers. So you don't have to stick or sit aside like when the followers will increase. Followers will automatically increase when you keep posting. Okay, when you keep on posting those sites. And the last one is build relationship through authenticate interactions. Okay, you have to take the ID passwords. Okay, and you can carry on the communication. So communication must be there. So there are these are the ways through which you can promote your own identity also or own skills. So there are two things. One is promoting your brand that I have shown you in this way, and second is how you can promote your own identity or your own strength. Any skills that you know, like Power BI, if you know in IT topics I'm talking about, like Power BI, Advanced Excel, you can create your own space. Just try it once, and you can explore all these things, and you have to go in this way. Okay, let's come again. Like define your identity first. Choose your platforms, which social media platforms you want to like create the page. Third is consistent. You have to be consistent. Share your views and upload your videos regularly and build a communications. So while building your online communications, you have to note some of the points because security is also important. So first thing is protect personal information. As all of you know, like we have to separate personal and professional accounts. So limit sharing sensitive information like location, financial information, and family data. For example, Facebook. If you talk about 10 years back or 15 years back, we used to write all the things in the Facebook, if you remember. We used to write all the things in the Facebook, like what is my designation, what is my company I'm working, okay, I lives in which area, everything, and also my current location. So So suppose I have visited one hilly station, okay, in North India. So I take a selfie and post it. So the hackers or like the individual can know my identity and my current location. So while posting anything, okay, or like updating your profile, just note down that you have to be cautious about sensitive information, like do not share your location, financial information, and also family data. And whenever you are giving any password, you remember we have to use alphanumeric. Okay, alphanumeric means like number, text, alphabet, and special character. Okay, so use a unique password 12 plus characters with mixed symbols, enable two-factor authentication also, and review privacy settings in every quarter basis. And these are the authentications procedures where you can protect your data in all social media platforms, either in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, anything. So whenever you are giving or sign up any form, remember you need to change the password quarterly or once in a month. Okay. So now I'm going to show you practical thing. Let me share the entire screen for you. So suppose if you want to promote your own product, okay, in digital platform, the first thing when you create a design, okay, either through Canva AI or through any other software like say uh, Photoshop, you design a jewelry designs, okay, or any product. So what you have to do is when the user click on it in the Facebook post, it should navigate to your website. So the first and foremost thing is you should have a website as an entrepreneurship. Okay. So the website, how to create a website. The first thing is how to create a website. Now, to create a website, you have to think as an entrepreneurship mind. There are two things. One is either you can go for free or you can hire a software engineer who will create a software for you, sorry, a website for you. Okay. So if you create a software through your developer, so they will charge you 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Okay. Suppose you don't have that budget. So that what you can do, you can create a free website. So I'm going to show you how to create a free website. It's very easy. Okay. It's very easy. So just a minute. Let me show you. I think all of you must have heard that is Wix.com. So either you can develop a website, free website of your own product, either through Wix.com or through WordPress. That, uh, as far as my knowledge, I am using Wix.com. So if you open the Wix.com, it says create your website. So for those who are non-IT background, they don't have to write the code, HTML code and all. They can easily drag and drop and create a website. Okay. So first thing, if you open Wix.com, first it will ask you to log in. Okay. Let me show you from the beginning. So this is the Wix.com homepage. The second step is on the right side, you'll get login. Just log in through your official ID, sorry, your personal ID. Continue with the Google. Okay, now it authenticates. Okay. So before you authenticate, just change your password for safety. Now this is my login. I have created many websites. So if you want to create your own website, so this screen will appear. Okay. It says bring your ideas to life with AI. So I'll just click setup without chat. First it says, because I think all of you know, first thing is to create my own website, because I have to showcase all my jewelry products in my own website. So whenever any post, they will click it, the normal customer, they will navigate or redirect to my website. So if the website is not created yet, first thing is to create website. So through Wix, you can create easy website or WordPress also. So first thing is, what is your site all about? So are you going to create online site, online store, portfolio, blog, landing page, tech company site, restaurant? You're going to open a restaurant, you want to promote it, or promoting an event. So simply I choose online store. Okay. Online store for jewelry. Continue. It says customizing the next step. What do you want to call your site? What would be the website name? So the website name is very simple. You can keep mm, Senko. Any name I have put it. Continue. So what are your goals for this site? So the goal is there are some suggestions you can directly, whatever comes in your mind, you can write it. Otherwise, you can use the suggestions like increase online sales. I want to increase online sales, drive repeat purchase, connect with jewelry lovers. I want to do this. This is important. Build customer relationship. This is also important. Promote my unique designs. Yes, this is the most important thing. And increase social media engagement and the display creative jewelry work. Okay. So these are my goals. I can continue. It says next, add apps to your sites to reach your goal. So it's not compulsory. You can add additional apps like get appointment with Wix booking, sales tickets, showcase your work on Wix portfolio, sales membership with. So it's not compulsory. You can also skip it. Now it will take me to the Senko Jewelry dashboard. See, it will take lots of memory of your system. So that needs a Wi-Fi network area. Okay. So this is my dashboard. And if you want to create your own designs, then you can click on the design site. I think all of you can see design site is there, right side. And this is the dashboard for my own website, Senko Jewelry. So if you want to see my own, like my own website, how it appears, first you have to choose a template. So if I click on design site, it says, how do you like to design your website? Generate a design with AI or customize a template. So I don't want AI to be a part of it. So I set aside. So pick a template first. So I'll choose my own template. The Wix will provide me some of the template designs. So according to this, you can opt any of the designs. There's jewelry store, jewelry company. There are many things, many templates you can go for. But for the time being, this one quite pretty. This one quite pretty. So I'll take this one. So first you have to click on edit. So once you click on edit, it will go to the design site where you can customize your website. It will take 30 seconds because it is preparing my website. Since it is not free, Wix is also paid. It will just create my own website, but the domain you have to purchase. That means you have to host this website. Now, what happened? My website is under the Wix. So that's why it will be called as like say my profile slash my jewelry store. Okay. Suppose if you want to keep it like senkojewelries.com, then you have to host it. Yeah, this is my page, you can say. So this is my page. Now it is totally editable. Whatever you want to add, you can add it. For example, suppose I click here. Simply I can double click. Okay, simply I can double click. It says edit text. That means you can customize your own like own product. You can add your own product and also the content. So just backspace it and uh, you can write Senko jewelry. Just an example. So it gets changed. You want to edit this page. It says quick edit. It is just like your Canva. If you heard about Canva, you can change the background. Here it says image. Okay, you can change the image. Okay, you can also search online or upload the media. Means upload from the system. So suppose if I yeah, so these are the various searches. Just an examples. You can upload your own photo. Just double click it. It says it can be added in the background. Okay, so I kept it as a background, and these are the various what menus. So if you want to go for menu, this is the home page. If you want to go for the menu, you can click on this home drop down and go to the about. So each and every page you can edit. So if you go to about, this is the about page. So you can write down your own product descriptions and also you can change the image. Here it says change image or edit image. So you can just delete and write down your paragraph. So simply you can edit as much as you want. Simply click on again FAQ page you can create. Now suppose if you want to like add one more page, then click on this plus sign. Okay. And here there are different what you can say elements. Under this page, you can add. For example, suppose you want to add a button. Now, what kind of button you want to add? So that you can choose. You can drag it. Okay, that button you can use it. So this is the easiest way where you can drag and drop any items. Right. So under this element, you can add anything. You can add more elements, box, decorative strips, button, image on that page. So it will be viewed in both the devices, either in desktop or in switch to mobile. So this is the mobile view. Sorry. This is the mobile view. And this is the desktop view. So once you have modified all the parts, different sections, different, you can say pages. Okay. You have defined different pages. Now you have to lastly publish it. In this way, you can create your own website, but under the Wix because you have not hosted it. So suppose if I click on publish, so congratulations, your site is published and live online. So to view online, just click on the view site. Then this is my page. Okay, editable page. Okay, you can go to shop also. Okay, this page also you can modify. Go to about, go to FAQ, go to contact. See through Wix, it doesn't need any what you can say coding. Okay, background coding. Just simply a non-technical person also can create easy websites. If they are going to start any business, they don't have website, they can go for Wix or WordPress. Since I'm using Wix.com, okay, so that's why I'm showing you the Wix through Wix. How can you develop a website? So this is the way, like say my domain would be like chandiprasadmaharana.wixsite.com/Senko jewelry slash contact. So the main URL would be this. So this is my main URL. Okay, so just for the cookies purpose, I just save it in the chat box. So this is how you can create a website. I hope all of you are done with this Wix.com, understood. And if you want to go back, okay, if you want to go back, you can go to the site, the main site where you have created, and okay, you can modify as much as you can, and finally publish it again. Okay. For example, if I omit it, okay, publish it, view site again. See, the homemade jewelry has gone. So in this way, you can edit. Just you need to refresh it. So this is how you can easily create your website. Now, as an entrepreneurship mind, if you have created, but if you want to have your own domain, I would suggest go to GoDaddy. Okay. And find out your own domain. Okay, just search it whether this. The search is whether it is, yeah, domain taken. Okay, so you cannot grab this website. You have suggestions, you can go for chenkojewelry.co.in, you can purchase it, and all the pages you can upload it. So this is how you can create your own domain and upload all these pages through that admin login. So this thing you have to do it. And Wix also helps you to create your own domain. How? Here it says Senko Jewelry is available. Connect your domain. So you can connect your domain. Senko Jewelry will be created under the Wix also. So under this domain, it is available. So you have to pay something to create this domain. So next onwards, you have to visit this website, my website, as senkojewelry.com instead of my own login name. So this is how you can create as many as websites. It is totally free. Now, once I have created my own website, what is next? Okay. So the next part is I have created a content and post it in Facebook. Okay. Not as free as a paid one. So if you want to post your own content in the Facebook, so you can post it in two ways. One is through organic, which is free, and second is paid one. So quickly, I'll describe how to post through paid program. So I'll simply go to the Facebook profile, click on pages. The left side, you'll find pages. See, I have created all those pages. Okay, here it says on the left side, create new page or profile. So you'll find in mobile also, if you can try in mobile, when you open a Facebook, under the settings, you will find on the left side, three bars, you'll find page. If you click on page, it will ask you like create new profile or page. So whether you want to make it public or personal. So certainly I want to promote my own product. So grow as a business or creator or organizations. So I'll select this one, click on next, get started. First it says page name. Okay, so I have created this page name. Category, you can select jewelry. Okay, watches, and description you can give, which is not compulsory. You can click on next, create page. The next important thing is it will ask you like contact. Contact means the website. Where is the website? If anyone will click on that post, where it is like it will be navigated. So it will be navigated to my website. So what I will do, if I've created my own website, just a minute. Yeah, it is there in my chat box. Yeah. So this is my website for the time being. I can give my number. Okay, it says India. India, India, India. So this is my number. I can write the mail ID. Okay, address you can give. Zip code is not compulsory. I can click on next. Any profile picture you want, you can give. For the time being, I'm not using that page. Okay, let me create it. Just save it. And just upload it. I'll use the same cover page. Okay. So in this way, you created your page. Okay, skip. Don't give a WhatsApp number page. Okay. So once you create your page, what happened usually when you are going to create this page, a notification will come to all your friends. Okay, stating that I have created. You must have seen whenever you have created a page, a notification will come to your friends list profile that I have this person has created a page. Okay, just like it. So if you click on invite friends, it will be post in their own profile. So I'm not moving it. So page notification on your profile, yes, done. So whatever post I want to make, every post I will make it through this page. Okay, so this is my page. Anything you want to add, you have used Canva AI or Photoshop and design your own content. Just click here what's in your mind and post it. Either you can post video or reel or live video. So suppose this thing, okay, I have posted. So this will be called as a organic because it is not mentioned as promoted or sponsored. So in digital marketing platform, there are two types of post. One is promoted or sponsor. Another is free. Now, how do you know? If you open LinkedIn or just a minute. Yeah. If you if you scroll down your LinkedIn profile, you can see Geo Security is a company who designed this post for the promotion itself. How do you know it is mentioned as promoted? If you scroll down, SAP again promoted. Okay, so various post MongoDB promoted. Okay, promoted OpenAI. So all these posts are paid one. The post which you are going to add is free one, which is known as organic. So likewise, in Facebook, if you scroll down, you will be seeing those as sponsored. Okay. So suppose I want to sponsor this. Okay. My own jewelry. So I can create ad. So it says boost is unavailable. Make a new ad using this post. So I want to boost this ad and get it connected with large number of customers. Because if you are going to post it, it will be connected to only your friend and friends of friend. So if I click on create ad, it says create ad. Okay. So goal, what results would like from this ad? Let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on the button. Okay, label. So add creative. You can scroll down. Can you see this one? Audience. So here audience means who should see your ad, because you are going to promote it. So who are going to see your ad? So you can increase your visibility and audience. So you can edit it. So like I said before, the jewelry age criteria, I can minimize it to 50, from 18 to 50, but not men, women only. Location, by default India. You can choose specific location. You can expand your geographical area by dropping the pin, and increase your geographical area. So whatever geographical area you select, it says, can you see the audience details? Here it says location, whatever it is mentioned, 18 minimum to 50 female. Okay. And so this ad will run continuously on a daily budget. So what is the daily budget? Daily is 89 rupees. And what would be the reach? Reach is 3.5 thousand to 10,000. So that means it will reach to 3,500 customer to 10,500, 10,100 customer. But it will run on daily basis, or you can select where, like when it will be, when it is going to be end. Like choose when this ad will end. So this will end in 7 days. So if it is in 7 days, the end date would be December 4. Now, what would be the price? You can see on the right side, it says 3.5 to 10.1. Okay. And total budget 624, including GST 736. That means you have to pay 736 for 7 days to run this ad to all these customers. So you can finally publish it. I'm not going to publish because it will ask me to pay the amount. So this is where you can, what you can post your paid one and create your new ad. So first you have to create a page in Facebook, post it, post your content, and click hit on the create ad. This create new ad will come, and you can modify all those parameters. Once you modify all those parameters, then lastly you can click on the publish. So this is how you can publish. Okay. And so this is going to be published in Facebook. The similar way you can post it in Instagram and YouTube also, the same way, and also in LinkedIn. So this is just an example how to post an ad, paid one, in Facebook. so that you can promote your product and reach to many customers as much as you can. So this is the just an example. So first I have created a website, and the purpose of website is the customer should visit your website, should know your website that you are exist or this product is exist, unique product is exist. So how they will know? They have to click on that particular ad. So what will happen if you post it? It will be like this, okay, in Facebook. So once they click it, click your post, it will navigate to the website of your website. Okay. So like, yeah, this one, it directly navigate to the MongoDB website. So in this way, you can post your ad in Facebook. But what about the security? Okay. So for this, while placing your ad in Facebook, few things you have to see is never share credentials, as you know. Okay, don't share your credentials. Don't give login password to freelancer or agencies, because you are going to publish it in Facebook and social media. So don't, okay, like change your security options. Okay, use Facebook Business Manager to grant specific access permission instead. So you have to open a like Facebook business account separately to place an ad. Okay, authenticated ad, and verify before sharing. So fact check information before posting. So spreading misinformation damages credibility and can give legal consequences. So the product that you are offering or posting for promotions, that needs to be authenticated by you, because you are going to promote your own unique product. It should not be a duplicate one. So this thing you have to keep in mind while posting in social media platform. So these are the security checks. And obviously you have to change your passwords, okay, frequently. I think I have demonstrated you this one. Okay. The next thing is mm, the next thing is email marketing. I think all of you heard about this term called email marketing. Email marketing means a single post. You can post it in Facebook and other social media platform. Even also you can post in your email ID through Gmail ID also. So it will be through email IDs. So how it is going to happen? I'm just showing you an example. Suppose this is my personal ID. When I see any of the emails. Suppose I pick where is ICIC? Yeah, this is ICIC Prudentials. If I click it, so this is the post. This is just for promotion. So imagine that it is not going to send to me only. Okay, it has been sent to many customers or many online users. So it says to me, but instead of me, okay, it has been sent to many customers or many users, online users. So this is known as one of the example of email marketing. So email marketing, you can also promote your product through email marketing. So there is a tool available in the Wix.com. Through this Wix.com tool, you can promote your product through email marketing. Because the difference is you have designed it, and it will be shown directly to the customer or online user when they click on the email or that particular email. It is not in the text format, it is in the design format. So this is an example of email marketing. Now suppose I want to show or I want to create. So the first step is 1 minute. The first step is click on your website. This is the dashboard of my own website, Senko Jewelry. And on the left side, there are certain tools where you can promote your own product using Wix. So I'll click on marketing. On the left side, you can see marketing. There is an email marketing option present. So through this, you can do the email marketing. Other things are like you can also place Facebook, Instagram ads the same way, like I did. Google ads also, social media marketing also. So this is the entire sessions marketing. So if I click it, okay, here it will give me some designs. Okay, what design you will prefer? Okay, so like this, okay, like this, you can choose any of the template. Suppose I click on this edit template, promote a product. I want to promote my own product, so I'll click edit template. Here it comes. So first you have to design your own product. This one. I don't want this. So what I can do, I can click here. I have my own image. I can change the image. Okay. And I can search online, but I have my own image present in my system. So upload media, upload from computer. In the desktop options, I guess. Yes, jewelry. It is uploading. Uploaded. Add to page. In this way, you can add your own product page or design. So you can, if you don't want to show, you can erase it, the price, or write down something. Okay. Sorry. So I said gold plated bangles. Give to someone you love. Anything you can add. You can add a logo. You can change the image. I am taking this image. I hope it's not same. Here it says shop now. So like you see in this post, it's an ICC Bank Prudential's Life campaign poster or flyers. So here it says check returns. It's a button apart from the image. And this is second button. Okay. And there are some links, helpful links. Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to click on this button. You can rename. Okay. You can rename whatever you want. Click here or whatever you want to shop now or buy now. Okay. You can rename. But what happened if they will click it? If any person will click it, okay, so what will happen? It will navigate to my website. So my website is already there. You can see in the enter a URL. So it is visible when I click on this button. But this is not my website. Okay, I use my chat window, copy my website, and here paste it. So anybody likes this post, will just click on this buy now. So what happened in that situation? ICICI Bank. So if you want to check returns, they click it and it will go or navigate to my to the ICICI Prudential Life, okay, website. So that thing, if I want to implement, so what to do? So after that, here it says address. If you want to show address, phone number, you can edit your street address. Okay, you can use your phone number. Okay, you can share in your social media platforms also. It is clickable. Okay, you can, if you don't want to show, you can uncheck. It will not show. And the same link, there is another button called check out our site. Okay, so you can rename also and you can paste the same URL. That's it. Now my design is prepared. Hope you like it. It's very simple. Anything you want, you can add elements. See, there are text, image, button, HTML, products, columns, video, subscribe, link, social, anything you can add. You can change the background also. See, you can upload a background image also. Any image you can search. Okay, let's be in this background. And themes. It looks pretty now. No, this one is better. So this you cannot remove because you have not purchased the domain. So that's why the parent would be the Wix. Just for an example, how to do the email marketing, I'm showing you. So you can click on next once you create the design. It says add recipients because the same like say same design you want to send it to many recipients. Many means bulk. In bulk you want to send it. So suppose this email ICICI Prudential, okay, may have been sent to many users. Many users means 1000, 2000, 3000, okay, users. So through Wix you can send it. Who are the sending this mail to? Okay, suppose I have my own list, CSV file or Excel file or a database. So Wix provide me to send through CSV file only. So I'll select all contact, right side, import contacts, import contacts. It says CSV file, get started. Okay. It says import contact should have a like proper format. So that's why there is a sample CSV file available. So I can download it, not through Notepad. I'll just open through Excel. So see, as you know, CSV file will open always in Excel, otherwise Notepad. So I don't want all this database columns. I only need name and email ID. So I remove all other. Uh, I keep this last name and I write down my name and change my email ID. More. So I'm placing this email ID. This is my sender as well as recipient both. So I use Control S, press Control S and click close. Your email ID should be correct. And next step is next, upload your database. So suppose I have created three, you can place as much as you can from that CSV file. This one. Upload it. Now it checks whether you have written or it will validate whether all the column values are correct or not. Let's see. Yeah. So match fields to Wix contact. It should be like this. Next. Now it is matching fields again. Yes, all are okay. Import. Yeah, import completed. All three imported. Now click on the next instead of this. Click on next. So now what is next? It says subject line you can edit. It's gold placed bangles. And sender, who is the sender? So you have to manage or edit the okay. Edit the email ID. You can, and it is going to send three recipients. Okay. It is going to send 3 recipients, send now. So once you click on send now, it will verify the sender ID, whether it is correct or not. So it will give me a code. Add a sender, it is already added. See, confirm email ID. It is asking for a code just to authenticate it. A confirmation code. Now I'll check my mail ID. Yeah. Information code. Copy. Go to Wix. Paste it. Confirm. See. Sender added. Done. Send now. Way to go. We have added your campaign to the send queue. It will be on its way soon. So you already sent. I'm clicking on done. Okay. Now I'll refresh my own mail ID. It will take some time. Yeah, I got. So when I open it, I also open my second email ID. Okay, remember one thing. If you want to, what I'm doing it, I'm actually, as an entrepreneur person, I just promote my own design through email ID. Okay, so I'll check my email ID, and as a customer, so always you check through promotions. See, it is there, gold plated bangles in my second ID also, and also it will be sent to my third mail ID. So when I click here, see, it is just like your ICC bank post. So any person likes it will click buy now. It will navigate to my that particular website. See, so this is how email ID email marketing works. So even I can use my personal mail ID, open it. I see it. Instead of buying now, I can click on check out our site. I'm interested in this. So I look, or you can navigate to a particular page also. I have not mentioned it. I can mention it like say website name slash contact us, or website name slash product or shop. This one. So I can also mention the perfect URL subfolder, but I have not mentioned it. I forgot to mention. So in this way, you can use the marketing tools. I hope all of you understood. This is a very easy step, but through Wix only you can do it. Email marketing. Okay. And moving to the next one. So suppose you have done it, this one, but you have to be cautious on some particular point. What? Recognizing phishing emails. Okay. As a sender, suspicious sender addresses. Like check for misspelling or unfamiliar domains. Like I have received. This is my official. So my official mail ID domain has blocked this particular email because it is coming from Wix email. Okay. You can see a weird name, pr01.wixemail.com. It is not exactly from a particular domain. So that's why it, what you can say, it filter it, and it act as a spam mail. So you have to, as a customer, if someone is viewing it, as a customer, they have to check over sender names to reveal actual email address. Urgent or threatening language. Phishing email creates artificial urgencies like act now or lose access. Okay, so you have to be cautious. Don't open such mails. And even though don't open the spam folder also, any of the mail, just simply click and delete it. Okay, delete forever. So usually I do in my mail ID, personal mail ID also. I don't open it, all these mails. I just click it and delete forever. So this practices you should follow. Okay, unexpected attach also. So never click links and download files from unknown senders. When in doubt, contact the company directly through official channels. So for example, you got a offer letter from TCS, but the mail or the attachment says like it is written directly like Tata Consulting Services in not in that format or font. It is in a different font, and the Tata logo is also different. So treat it as a spam, okay, or spammer, or maybe phishing emails. So avoid those mails or directly contact to the official channels. So this thing you should keep in mind while doing the email marketing. Okay, as a customer point of view also, and as a entrepreneur point of view also, I'm saying this thing you have to keep in mind. I think all of you understood. So, and another part is I missed it is SEO, right? So what is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. Okay, like now let's for an example. Let's for an example. Uh, I have a website. I don't know why my website is not popular, or why I don't know why people are not liking my website. Okay, and not visiting my website. I don't know the reason. The reason may be you have like your website is not ranked. First reason. Second is your website contain unnecessary informations. Okay, and it doesn't look good or appearance like appearance wise it doesn't look good. So for that you have to check certain things to improve your website. So search engine optimization means whenever any person will write any key related to your website, it should open your website first, or in the Google search engine your website name appears first or second, in that way. So what is the step? How to improve your website, okay, content or ranking? For that, for example, I'm writing jewelry. Now, you'll not believe if I write jewelry, these are giving me suggestions. It is giving me suggestion. Suggestion means other customer or sorry, other users, online users are searching for this particular text, like shop near me. People are searching. So that's why it is giving me suggestions. If I write only jewelry. So that means other online users are searching for this. So these all are keywords. So how to improve your website if nobody is liking or visiting your website? So what you can do, you can go to your page, what you can say, page content, backend content, or the coding part. You can make necessary changes. This is one way, very simple way I'm explaining, because lack of time, I'm just giving you one example. It is jewelry. So I have all these keywords like jewelry organizer, jewelry design. Okay, shop near me. So what you can do, you open your website. One minute. It is there in my chat box. Okay. So I open through page source. Once again, right click, page source. This is the home page. Suppose you are in this in an edit mode where you can see the backend coding. So you go to that backend coding. Okay, you will find something called meta. Okay, meta. So in the meta section, you'll find Wix.com website builder. Instead of this, you can change. Okay, you can change to your name. Wherever meta comes. So generally keywords you have to put, generally keywords. So I click page source again, meta, contain this. You can paste this keyword, jewelry shop near me. If you do this, jewelry shop near me, so that anybody will find out jewelry shops near me, your website will come at the top. Okay, at the top. So in this way, you can add keywords, whatever customer or sorry, online users are searching, you can grab those keyword and add it to your own content. So not only on the first page, but also in every page. For example, if you click on the shop, click. These are the images, right click, page source, again go to meta. Okay, again change it. So change some keywords which are usually searched by normal users. So this is known as on page because I'm inside my own website coding page and I'm changing it. It's known as on page. Okay, SEO. Another is off page. So off page SEO is if suppose it is not through like not through in this way. Suppose you have created one page, okay, and second person, okay, second person is creating a blog of the same jewelry page, but the other person will find out that your website is more like contains more relevant topic about that page. In a very simple language, just explain it again. I have my own website having lots of jewelry content. Another person has created a blog on jewelry and post it in LinkedIn or Instagram or anywhere else. But they don't find a particular website. So what they can do, they can link or they can add your website link, okay, in that post. So it will be called as a backlink. So using another website, okay, using another website link, you can increase your promotions. So this is known as backlink, or you can say off page SEO. So in SEO, there are two things. One is off page, another is on page. On page is actually you are modifying the online code, your own code, website code. Okay. And off page is my website link is being used by another in other another blog. So that is known as off page. So this is the difference between off page and on page. So this is one of the important part also SEO page. So in this way also you can promote it. And moving to the next one is data analytics. Okay. So what is data analytics? Data analytics means what I have done today is I have shown you how to create website. I have shown you how to boost your page. I have shown you how to do email marketing. And now whatever investment you have done to your own product, just I want to sit and see how many persons are liking my own website. Okay, so just for a check, if you so admin, if it is possible, can you share this website to the online users? If you're there, Swayam Plus admin, in the description page also, if you can share, or if it is visible, then it's okay. So if they are able to access it, then it is very good. So the sample website which I have created, and it is in the chat box. If they are able to view it, yeah. So the next part is how you are going to see whether my website are liking by others or not. So this is the track that you can do. For this, we are going to open this dashboard again and click on the analytics on the last. In the analytics, you can see real time. Gosh. In the real time, I have created my own website and I have shared with you. If you can like if you understood this sessions, I request you to just take this website link and just paste it in your Chrome browser. So what you can do, you just open that link. If I am a owner, I can see how many visitors are there. Okay, who is liking my website or visiting my website. So this is the real-time analytics I can do. Okay, so this is the best example where you can see the tracking of my own website. So I can see only live visitor is one. Okay. And before that, 30 minutes, 3 persons were there. One is from Noida, another is 2 person is from Bhubaneswar. Great. Okay. And if I open the same thing in my WhatsApp, okay. So in mobile also it will show you. So you can see the real time is one only. Home page, 3 persons have already visited. Category all products 2. Okay, through mail, 2 person have already visited my site and direct link is 1. And you can say desktop 100% means all persons are viewing through desktop. Okay, all persons are viewing through my desktop. Okay, so 1 minute, let me do it again. I copy this website. Okay, I am opening through mobile. See, in the real time, I can see there are two visitors. Now, who are the visitor? Me through mobile, myself through mobile, and also through desktop. Here it says desktop 3, mobile 1. Okay, so in this way, you can track any users who are going to visit this. So you can see the traffic, how many persons are visiting what websites. So this is the real time. Highlights, you can check highlights through Wix. Okay, 3 sessions. Suddenly on 22 onwards, November 22 onwards, my website clicks have gone up, traffics, homepage, okay, who are going to visit, and deliver 3 through email, click 2, okay, 2% have clicked it. So these are the real time analysis. So this is known as Google Analytics. Okay, so some of the cyber awareness tips I just want to tell you. Like you are creating websites. Okay, so you might have seen any website, there are two options written. One is accept all and reject all, mainly cookies. So website should have a privacy policies so users can understand where their data is stored and how it is used. So this helps maintain transparency between website visitors and the visitor owner. So the website should display a cookie banner that allow user to accept or reject cookies. So usually what happens, cookies are nothing but a page. It is just a file which stores website information. Okay, so the website owner, for example, tcs.com or any owner, nowadays showcasing a pop-up like this. Okay, like say reject or accept. Okay, reject or accept. So it means whether you don't want to like let them access your data, so you have to reject it, or they want to access your data, you can accept. So this is very important thing. You should decide whether they want to access, the website owner want to access your data or not, just to have a privacy. Second is website must have a SSL certificates to prevent hacking attempts. You have to log in through HTTPS always. And a website forms, including contact forms, should have anti-spam protections. Okay. So anti-spam protection means when I open any of the site, like say, okay, the website name is Needsoft Technology. For an example, Needsoft Technology. You can see it is verifying whether I am a human or not. If you are viewing this for the first time, Google through Cloudflare will check whether you are a human or not. Because what happened, uh, bots are there. Bots means robots are there who capture your data while entering this entries. So the website owner, okay, securely checks whether you are a human who is writing this details, or robots or bots who automatically writes for you. So the bots or robots who does so will track your data automatically. So that's why it says success. Or what happened in captcha? It's recaptcha. What happened in captcha? So captcha will create many puzzles like thing. Like say column wise pictures are coming. You have to choose nearby, like say traffic. Where are the traffic signals in 9 pictures? But bots will not find out. Okay, because they are robots, so human can only find out. So the humans can read it, and if they check it correctly, then only it will enter to the main site website. So this is the actual use of reCAPTCHA and CAPTCHA. So you have to all website forms include forms, mainly forms, sign up forms, including contact forms should have anti-spam protection such as Google reCAPTCHA or Cloudflare turnside to reduce spam and bot submissions. Okay. So, and also through AI also we can protect it. I think all of you know artificial intelligence is revolutionary cybersecurity, offering advanced threat detections and real-time protections that adapt to emerging risks. It's a simple example I'm giving you, like say uh, True Color. So True Color has included an AI features that automatically distinguish the spam calls and notify me that that particular number starting from 0144, okay, is a spam call. So it automatically filter it. So through AI we can do many things, and also through AI algorithms, through machine learnings also. Okay, so various AI programs we can use. So that's it from my side. I think I have done like the practical way how to show or how to promote the product online. Okay, so over to you, Swine Plus admin. If you can hear me, we can have questions and answers.
Yes, sir. I request participants to post your questions in the chat box if you have any. We already have a few questions, sir. The first one, how can we calculate digital brands quality and quantity?
Can you write down in the chat box if it is possible?
Yes, sir. Sir, the first question I have posted in the chat box. How can we
Right,
calculate the digital brand's quality and quantity?
right. So, like say, if you have quantity, like we can measure it as in a matrix called quantity. The quantity,
So you're not audible, sir.
okay, I'm so sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it can be calculated by two ways. One is quantitative and another is qualitative. So quantitative, it can be like say the amount that you have shown up, like say like post the ad divided by the reach. How many reach, like how many like people it has reached. So in that way you can calculate the quantitative, and qualitative is quality divided by the perceptions. Okay, so the right approach involves defining clear goals. What is your goal? Define your goals, and accordingly you can divide it by reach as well as the perceptions. I think you have put the second questions, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Email marketing can be post. Email marketing can only be done our contacts. Or it can be anyone, not only contacts, friends. It can be anyone, but you should have an engine called Wix.com, which facilitate this bulk email marketing.
Another question is on the skills that is required to enter the field of digital marketing as a fresher. What are the skills that a person needs to know before entering
Okay.
the digital marketing field?
The person, those who asked, must remember the beginning of the session that you should know the Facebook and how to run or how to operate Facebook, Instagram, social media marketing. The thing is, you should be a creative one. Like you have to design that like poster also. So you should know the designs, like creative designs, either through Canva AI you can learn, or Photoshop anyone else. And second is uh, internet savvy. Okay, learn information from internet is essentials. This too, either the qualification is not mandatory, like from 10th 12th onwards you can do as a freelancer once you have this knowledges.
Another question is, can email marketing be done through the GoDaddy website?
To be very frank, I have not checked because email GoDaddy is only for hosting part. But inside the once you create a domain, after that we have an option called email domain. You can do. I have not sure. I have not implemented it. I have checked in Wix.com.
Can the same methodology shown be used for any kind of website development?
Yes. I have used in Wix.com. You can use in WordPress also. The same methodology. Because nowadays, without coding also, you can do website designing. So WordPress is Wix. These two are very common.
A learner wants to know how can this be used in the education sector.
Mm. Now, suppose education sector, a learner, in the sense, suppose as an entrepreneur mindset, if you want to open an institute, okay, and if you want to, in business point of view, I'm saying, open an institute, okay, where you want to promote skills, okay, and you want to take up classes, online classes or offline classes. For that you need some marketing, like promotion activity. So traditional marketing uh, is also applicable, as well as digital marketing technique is also applicable. So you have to design first what is the content, you have to plan accordingly. What is the content? Okay, what thing you want to promote, which subject you want to promote in education. For example, IT institute you can take up. So institute nowadays like upgrade. Okay, these all are promoting. How? Through this digital marketing.
In the Facebook marketing, there is one thing called clicks in addition to the reach. Does it mean it is indicative clicks or likes by the people?
It can enhance the clicks. You can improve the clicks by paying through paid programs.
A learner wants to know what is the well-rounded number of sample set to go for if we wish to succeed in our digital marketing campaign. Like, is there some kind of metrics or formula to be used?
Can you repeat once again, please?
What is a well-rounded number of sample set to go for if we wish to succeed in our digital marketing campaign? Is there any formula or metrics?
I don't think so. There is any formula. The way which I have explained, in that way you can go.
Do we have full control of our website with GoDaddy website?
Yeah, once you create your own domain, you will get a like say control panel where you can have a total control on your website. Because once you create a domain, the for example www.sencojewelry.com, that website data will not have any data. You have your own data offline, so you have through control panel which GoDaddy will give you ID and password. Through that, you can upload all your contents in the GoDaddy. So once you get it, now you can have all your controls. You can design, you can edit, whatever you can.
Another question. In SEO on page edits, can we include more number of keywords in the meta content replacement or only one keyword is allowed?
No, you can place by comma, separated by comma. You can use many keywords like say jewelry shops near me, comma. You can use other keywords which users likely to search. Like say jewelry near me is one. Second is creative designs. Okay, comma. As many as the keywords you can input.
I think we are done with the question, sir. I'll just give a vote of thanks to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, and the NIIT Foundation for delivering such a valuable and practical session on digital marketing essentials. The session offered clear insights into core digital marketing concepts, tools, and techniques, enabling our learners to understand how these skills can be used. I would also like to thank all our participants for joining us today. Sessions like these are an opportunity to bridge learning with employability and to prepare more effectively for career opportunities ahead. We look forward to seeing you all in our upcoming masterclasses by SWAYAM Plus. Thank you once again and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all. Bye bye.